Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Okay, and awa po ng Diyos, meron na naman po tayong panibagong vlog. But before I start guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button kung hindi pa po kayo subscriber. And please click the notification bell para po updated kayo sa mga videos ko. Thanks in advance guys!
Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Okay, yan, awa po ng Diyos. Once again, meron na naman po tayong panibagong vlog. And ayan guys, so nakikita ninyo, it's a Poco X7 Black 8GB RAM, 256 storage. Okay, so yan, kadarating lang nito guys. So in-unbox ko na siya, and yan, so para makita nyo ganyan siya dumating. So this is the plastic of the box, no? Ayan, ito, no? And naka bubble wrap na ganyan, and of course naka karton, no? And this how it arrived, no? Ayan, so this is the, alisin natin to, wait. Okay, so yan. So, ganyan siya guys, no? Poco X7. Ayan ang ginawa ko guys, inalis ko yung plastic dito. And then, ayan. Merong ano yan guys, nandito yung resibo niya. Hindi nila pinapatong. And then, here comes its, unboxing to guys, para rin ninyo, para makita ninyo kung ano yung Poco X7. This is a new product of Poco or Xiaomi, no? So, ayan, meron siyang, rito guys, ayan. Ito yung mga box. And, of course, ayan, meron na tayong SIM ejector pin. Medyo, guys, hindi na masyadong, hindi na masyadong maganda yung, yung ejector pin nila nowadays, no? Na lang, yung medyo mumurahin na lang na version, no? Dati kasi bilog to, guys, eh. No? While ngayon, manipis na lang, no? Though, okay pa rin naman. What can we complain naman, diba? And of course, this is the free case, no? Ayan. So, this is the free case. Pakita ko sa inyo guys kung yung free case. Ayan. So, it's a jelly case. Ayan. So, here's what we can get. Ayan. With a Poco. Designed by Poco. And ayan. So, manipis guys. Ayan. Meron siyang Poco rito. This is good, no? Kasi meron na siyang free na ganyan. Unlike sa mga ibang phone na medyo mas mura, is wala, no? Okay, so we'll put that there, and ito yung guys, and safety information. Okay, and then start guide, quick start guide, and warranty card. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Yan lang yan. And then of course, here's the unit na. Yeah. Okay. So, we get a phone. So, balikan na natin yan. Ito munang, guys, yung makukuha muna natin sa box. And of course, a 45 watt charger. Very okay na to guys. Bago to. Dati, 33 watts lang ang pinamimigay nila. Since, alam ko mataas yata yung nito guys. Mataas yung, capacity ng charging nito, kaya din siguro nila in-upgrade. So, here's the guys. Ayan. So, here's the phone. Okay. So, nakita nyo guys, para siyang curve, no? Ayan guys. So, curve, bezel niya, papilog. So, it reminds me of the Samsung mga S20, S21, parang gano'n. Or, I don't know if I am mistaken, pero ayan, ganyan siya guys. Ayan, oh, nakita nyo ba? Oh. Okay. So, ayan. Ito, para makita nyo siya. Ayan, ganyan ang itsura niya. So, we have this cameras here. One flash, then 3 cameras, no? Ayan, I just don't know kung ano yung micro lens yan at ano yung pang main feature. And ayan. So, ang kinuha natin is yellow, black. By the way, I got this for, ayan guys, tingnan nyo naman, ganda guys, napakanipis ng bezel niya, as in realistically, totoo nga siguro yung nakasulat dito guys, ito, ayan, crystal resolution 1.5K, 120Hz AMOLED curved display, 50 megapixel main camera with OIS, IP68 doesn't water resistance, 5,110 milliampere battery. Okay, ano pa ba? So, yun lang niya. And of course, this is the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra, which is nasa ang Antutu score nito guys is nasa 600 to 700,000, which is not bad for the price. How much did I get this? Nasa less than 11 lang yata itong nabili, something. So however, this is the lowest version, which is the 8GB 256 storage. Meron pang ano to guys, meron 12GB and 512, at hindi ko lang matandaan kung ano pa yung isa pang mas pinakamataas na specs nito. So yun guys, so yan, basically yan lang ang ano niya. Wait, oops, sorry, ano yung camera natin. So yan, hindi ko alam kung ano ba yung ano nito. Okay, so I cannot find kung ano ba yung ano niya. So ito muna. So basically dito muna tayo sa performance, sa physical ano niya. So I think this is mic, sound, speaker, and or yun, no? Tapos ito is parang siguro doon sa mga ano yan, sa mga parang sa remote or something, and then ito yung charging port, SIM jack, what do you call this one? SIM tray. Ayan yung speaker na naman. Okay, so yan, mayroon tayong volume dito, volume rockers, and ayan, itong main ano natin. Hindi ko alam kung ito guys ano to, hindi ko alam kung ano siya, yung fingerprint, no? Pero sa case na binili ko, ayan, binilang ko na siya ng case guys, no? Sa case na binili ko, parang hindi siya fingerprint, parang ang fingerprint nito is nandito rin. So let's find out, no? Ang ganda guys, no? Ang liwanag niya, kung makikita nyo guys, ang liwanag. Sana hindi magloko-loko yung screen, kasi alam nyo, nagkaroon ako ng problema sa curve type ng ganito sa anong tawag dito, nagkaroon ako ng issue dati sa mga curve type of cellphone, and it was not good. Pangit yung kinalabasan doon sa cellphone na yun. I just don't know, kung hindi ko matandaan ko nung brand yun, pero nagloloko yung nagloloko yung LCD niya. But this one, I strongly hope na wag sana. So ito yung case, yan guys, tingnan nyo guys, so dapat kung may fingerprint yan, dapat malinaw yan dito. So dito, let's see, and put it for the first time. Hindi ko pa nalagyan ng ano yan guys, ng tempered glass, kasi medyo ano pa. Okay, and of course yan, so wala naman akong ano guys, hindi ko pa siya ma-check sa ano. This is just an unboxing pa lang, no? Hopefully at least yan yung matatanggap ninyo, pero so far mabilis yung ano niya guys, mabilis yung ano niya, yung pick up, no? Hopefully wait, i-connect ko muna siya, and hopefully try nating mag-download kahit isang game lang. By the way guys, meron tayong ayan guys, i-download na natin tong si what do you call that one, si ML, no? Right now, wait, download natin siya. Nag-update kasi siya guys, no? But then ayan, bago ako mag-proceed, pakita ko muna pala yung SIM tray sa inyo, para din makita nyo, nakalimutan ko siyang sabihin sa inyo. So ayan, so dito yung natin guys, dito yung ano bang tawag dito, what do you call that, yan. So okay, so yan, so ayan guys, so meron siyang guys, what do you call this, hindi siya pwedeng lagyan ng dalawang SIM card and one SD card. So it's either one SD card and one SIM card lang, or two SIM cards. Yun lang yung option niya. And it's good, okay lang naman yun. Hindi naman ako naghihingi ng SD card pa rito. So kung meron din akong chance na bumili pa nito, I may suggest na kumuha na lang kayo ng bigger storage, para din hindi niyo na problemahin ang what do you call that, ang para hindi nyo nakunin yung ayan ang sinasabi ko guys. Sandali guys. Okay. Yan. Para hindi nyo nakunin yung hindi na kayo mag SD card. So bali dalawang gamitin nyo na magagamit nyo siya ng using two SIM cards, no. Kasi pagka naglagay pa kayo ng SD card, so another na magpapabagal pa yun ng phone, and yan. So it's best that you get the 512. I suggest, no. So yan. So sandali lang guys, i-post ko lang, i-play ko once na installed na ito, and hopefully tingnan natin kung makapag-play tayo ng papakita ko yung settings ng ML sa inyo. Hindi na ako makakapag-review pa ng ibang game kasi ito lang din ang usually alam kong laro. And sa naman sa camera, let's see. Okay, so wait, we don't need that. Ito yung camera, ito yung bubungad sa atin guys, no. So let's see kung paano natin ito mapapaano. Okay, so there's no yet, there's no installed or what you call that. Ito yung mga settings. So aspect ratio is 9:16 para lumaki. Okay, so then this is the video. Meron siyang 0.6 and so this is tingnan nga natin guys yung 1080p 30 frames per second. Okay, meron siyang 4K, meron bang 8K to? Ayan, wala. So 4K lang siya, 720, 1080 and 4K. So tingnan nga natin yung 4K kung may alog or kung meron siyang tingnan nga natin. Medyo siya guys, ayan. So nakikita niyo ba? Parang naglalag ng konti. But it's good. Okay na rin naman. So play natin guys, This is the first ever image or video that it has. Okay, allow natin. Allow all. Okay. So yan. Okay, so every time na medyo mabilis ang galaw natin is medyo nagbe-blur yung screen, pero parang siya guys, parang stabilized yung yung video. Let's see the 1080. Okay, 1080. Okay, let's see. Makikita natin yung impact niyan guys pag pag na-replay na natin, no? Okay. Tingnan natin kung Okay. Wait a minute. Let me see. Okay, so play natin to. Okay, so yun, parang maganda nga yung stabilization niya. Wala na siyang ginig-ginig ting, no. Okay na siya. Actually, mas nanginginig pa nga yung phone natin sa tripod niya. So yan, no. And then lastly is the 720p. Tingnan natin yung 720p. Yan. Talagang merong merong konting lag. Pero ang importante kasi doon guys yung yung stabilization. Let me see, Okay. So this is the 720p. Let me see. Same, no? Ayun, yung difference lang talaga nila from 720, 1080 and 4K is the quality of the picture. Merong konting lag mas malag syempre yung mga higher like 4K kasi masyadong malinaw na yung masyadong malinaw na yung naka-capture nun. Ayan guys, hindi ko na siya matest kung sa malabo kung okay pa siya. But for this one, okay naman. Wala naman ako masabi guys. Seems good. Meron lang konting noise. Ayan guys, 4K yan. This is a 4K video again. Okay. Stabilized, no? Tingnan naman natin yung photo. Let me see kung makikita niya ng maayos yan. Okay. So this is the first picture. Okay. So this is the stock. Ayan guys. Malinaw naman guys. Makikita pa naman ng maayos. Typical guys, hindi naman siya yung malinaw na malinaw at hindi rin naman siya yung malabo. So for me, panalo na to. For the price, sabi ko nga sa inyo guys, less than 11 for the price, and yeah, it's good. Ang importante rito guys, hindi kayo naglalag, no? Ayan, so tingnan natin kung gaano kabilis ang ML sa kanya. Okay, so keep on with that. What's that? Okay. Okay, so yan. So this is how it's gonna load the Mobile Legends, no? Yan. Okay. So kayo nang, hindi ko kasi masyadong laro ito guys, no? Pero ayun nga. So I'm just trying this because para rin sa vlog na rin, no? And ano ba, itong babae, yan, okay. I was just confirm, okay. Yan, so tingnan nyo kung gaano ka-smooth, and titingnan ko yung settings ng graphics and ano, para makita nyo kung ano yung kaya niya. Hindi kasi ako masyadong nakakaintindi because I do not actually play this, no. But I have seen some reviewers na ganyan ang ginagawa nila, no. They ayan, so they are ayan guys. Okay, so welcome to Mobile Legends now. Okay.
This is all so exciting!
Malakas yung ano na guys, malakas yung music, malakas yung sounds, no? Ayan, so, okay, so pinapaganon niya ako. Okay.
Fire! One shot them! One
Okay,
by one!
Okay. Okay, so yan.
Another
Yan
wave
lang
of
siya,
enemies
guys.
is approaching. Let's try some more powerful
Okay.
ammo.
Smooth naman siya guys, no? And what I like the
Don't
most
forget
here
to
is the
level
ano.
your skills. We must
Ayan.
get stronger.
Okay, yung pinakagusto ko rito guys, yung ano niya, yung gameplay, hindi
Guns
naglalag.
ready, load it up. This is
Seems
my
good.
ultimate attack.
Ayan, so parang wala akong ano eh. Paano ba yung ano yung ano rito guys? Wala siya ano eh. Okay. Okay. Press tayong konti so that we can kill it.
First blood.
Oh, okay. So, first blood daw. Now, okay, ayaw niyang mag-got it. Okay. Okay.
Don't rush ahead alone. Push under the cover of the
I
minions.
don't know how to, hindi na-adjust yung
Your team destroyed a turret. Orcs are all dim. Oh, bring out the big gun. That tops all the empty threats I've
Ayaw
ever
niya mag-ano.
heard. Bring it on.
Anyway, sandali guys. Check ko kung paano ko makikita yung graphics niya. So, hindi talaga siya magalaw guys dahil tutorial daw pala yun. So, yan. So, this time na natapos na yung tutorial. So, let me see if I can. Okay, so continue. Okay. Let me see if I can see the settings. No. Naku, mukhang matagal ah. Loading 200 daw. Okay. Let's wait a bit. No? So, ayan. May mga kasama na ako. Wait, okay. So, where's the, all equipments. Paano ba to? Paano ba yan? Wait, check muna haba yung video natin. Okay guys, so this is how it's gonna look like with the, the F5 na tempered glass, no? So, iba pala talaga yung tempered glass nito. Yun ang hindi ko namalayan dahil nga curved kasi siya guys. Curved kasi yung screen niya. Dapat siguro pati yung tempered glass nito curved din, no? And yan. So, yung naman, yung doon sa game guys, ang haba ng tutorial, no? Pero so far, yung importante lang naman doon guys, yung linaw. Ayan guys, oh. Tutorial pa rin daw pala yan eh. Ayan, oh, tutorial yan. So, dapat patapos para makita yung, yung settings. Pero, ayun, again, yung smoothness, okay naman, no? Ayun, so kung para sa price, I think okay naman. Hindi lang talaga siya, just do not expect for a big change compared to X6. Pero yun nga, yung X6 kasi hindi siya ganito, no? Curve ito eh. So, ayun. So, yun, manage your expectations. Pero mas, ako personally, mas malinaw to kesa sa X6 for me. Kasi, I have an X6 here. So, malayo talaga guys, no? Maano siya, iba yung quality nito. However, bibilang ko na siya ng tempered glass kasi nga, ayan, hindi pwede yung glass na to guys. Ayan, flat to guys. Ang cute niya, hindi siya pwedeng ganyan. So yun guys, I think we're done yan na po ang ating vlog for today, no? Alam nyo, ang unang napansin ko rito is parang nabuhay yung X3 Pro because of the camera. Ang X3 Pro, ganyan ang camera noon. Poco X3 Pro. However, this one is a Poco X7. Hindi ko lang alam kung pares ng itsura ng X7 Pro, pero this one is Poco X7 non-Pro, hindi siya Pro, no. Ayan. So yun, I think yun yung ano ko rito, ang pinaka nakikita kong what do you call that, recommendation. So for me, panalo naman to guys for having it for 11K. Pero alam ko mas mahal yung ng konti yung X7 Pro dito, pero yung X7 Pro guys is 1.2 million yata yung Antutu score niya, which is very double the speed of this one. So kung may budget naman, go with this. However, kinuha ko lang kasi to guys dahil wala pa yung X7 Pro, and I don't need an expensive phone. What I need is a phone that is good na for everyday usage, na for internet, for minor games, Facebook, social medias, camera, and hindi naman ako pumalya guys kasi yung camera niya maganda naman. 50 megapixel is enough for me. Kaya nga yun ang isa pang dahilan kung bakit parang nare-recognize ko to as X3 Pro, kasi yung alam ko yung X3 Pro 50 megapixel din yun and it captures good video. Dati nga yung F3 ang kalaban ng X3 Pro pero kung tingnan mo mas malinaw yung X3 Pro sa F3, pero maraming nagsasabi rin na mas malinaw daw ang F3 kung alam nyo at nasubaybayan nyo ang mga cellphone ng Poco, no? So yun, so for now that's my opinion and infos that I get from Poco X7. I hope you like this video, and ayun nga, sana mag-subscribe kayo for continuous vlogs ahead, no? Thank you guys, thanks for watching, keep safe everyone, thanks be to God, bye for now, bye.